guys, it's Tony with Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property. Today we're going to be doing a gutter cleaning for a client that came to us after 2 years of not being serviced for their gutters. They contacted us saying that they needed their gutter cleaned badly and that they wished they did it last year, but they just didn't. But yeah, we're back here at this home. It's going to be a single-story home outside of Turlock, on one of these ranches and everything. So you can see the trees behind me and everything like that. The owner of the home stated that his wife had noticed that the downspouts are also clogged as well, so we're going to get taken care of that. And there's also the valley on the roof that has a lot of leaves on it just from this little tree right here. Oh, it's not little, this tree right here. So we're going to make sure we get that valley taken care of as well, because they are a returning client and we love those. So let's get this thing rolling.